Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm having some trouble with my '04 Zuma. It's not wanting to start up. I've replaced the battery, spark plug, I pulled the carb, cleaned that out. I wasn't able to open it all the way up just because the way the screws were, they were stripping out, so I didn't want to take it apart any further than I needed to. But I cleaned that out as much as I could. Put everything back together. It's turning better than it was, but it's not doing what it should be. That's all I'm getting. If there's anything that you guys can suggest, let me know. Kind of stuck. Don't know what else to do. Thanks for your help.